I am not interested. Yes, I am not interested. That is one usual phrase that you receive when you go for a sales call. You get this quite often, right? So most of the rookie sales guys, what they do is, okay sir, I'm sorry sir. That's over. They will cut the phone down. Or if they receive an email or something like that, that will be the answer, okay sir, thank you so much sir. We'll contact you later. That is what most of the people do. But is that right way? No, because ultimately we are calling because we want to convert such kind of customers into our regular customers, right? Convert that prospect into a regular customer. So how to do that? How to handle when you hear, I am not interested. So here is the thing, that is what we need to do is, first of all, we should create a kind of empathy. We should empathize with them. We should empathize with them in the sense that is, yes sir, yes sir, hey, you are right sir, I mean I got your point sir. Yes, I got a point that you are not interested. That is the first sentence. Oh, that's okay sir, I got a point that you are not interested. But the second one is, you are correlating. Okay, you need to correlate. You have to tell that yes, that customer, no, that customer X also said the same thing to me, but now he is using our product, or now he is using, or she is using our product or service, and they are quite happy with that. So first, you are not bargaining on them. You are saying that you are also saying, yes sir, I am not here to waste your time. You are not interested, I know, but that customer also told me the same thing, that he is not interested or she is not interested, but they are using our product right now and they are quite happy. So when they say that, when you say that this particular customer, because this customer may be their competitor or peer or whatever it is, and naturally there will be a kind of inquisitiveness, a kind of hook point is there. So that will definitely catch. So once it is there, once it is done, the next thing you need to do is offer a solution. And if you have to offer a solution, what you should have done previously, you should have studied about that prospect's company thoroughly. You should have done a preparation for this call even before making it, and you should have identified the pain point. You should have identified somehow, because there is no point in making 10, 50, 100 calls every day. Even if you make 10 calls in a day, which is of high value, which is of in-depth research, at least 2 or 3 will easily get converted. Easily, I am saying easily, otherwise even 50%, 4 to 5 will get converted. Most of the sales executives, what they don't do is, they don't really go through. They don't just go behind the scenes and try to find out what is the real problem the customer is facing, the prospect is facing. So once you have done that, and first you empathize with them, then the second thing is that you are correlating the same kind of issue with others also, and the third one is, you are offering a solution to them. Offering a solution which is not given by others, which other people are not in a position to offer. Something which is different from others. That is, you are showcasing your USP to them. Once you showcase your USP to them, naturally there will be a catch point. They'll get really hooked. They'll be really hooked. And when you do that, definitely the customer will call you for a meeting. From saying, no, I'm not interested, he will say, okay, do one thing, you come and meet me and demonstrate in person. That is a big change, isn't it? So like I used to say earlier, always, the deal is not closed while sitting face to face. That is closed even before that. If you are providing so much of value to the customer even before meeting them, definitely the deal is closed. So this is the way that you have to handle this question of I am not interested. Hope this will be helpful for you, and please give a comments below if you have any other points to add. Thank you so much.